So welcome. As I mentioned earlier, I will start doing reactions to the channel, and the first thing that I will watch will be the animation versus math. I saw Alan Becker's works, but not the sciences versions of them. Like there is a physics and there is math, and I'm not sure, and geometry also. So yeah, today I will be watching the math one, and I hope I will be able to watch all the trio of sciences. So yeah, I'm new to this whole VTubing stuff, so I just don't really know how to do it in a better way. So yeah, I guess this should be fine. So let's start doing the stuff. Hello, the second chosen one. I forgot how his name was. The one. It is the first thing he saw. So, one is the thing that tells that something exists, and the zero is nothing, the one is something. This is true. It's interesting how he changed the comparison into the plus sign. It is a really smart way to do stuff. So he can copy signs. Oh wow. It's 3 now. It's 4, 5. Okay. It's now 10. So he sees now that each tens is the repeating number. So it's like 12 is 1 and 2, and 13 is 1 and 3, etc. and all the stuff. So he discovered that there is 9 numbers, I think. Yeah. Oh, so he he found out that the 2 is represented as 1 plus 1. Great, okay. I am following. It's not hard yet. 20. Okay. Is he planning to 100? Yeah. Yeah, so I think it means that his discovery wasn't so big, and he maybe want to get some bigger number. I mean, how did he even find out himself in this place? Oh, wow. Oh, I see. It is a mechanism to make the number equal and take less space on whatever this place is. Oh wow, now he discovered minus. Great, now he will go to 0. Minus 1. Okay, so now he discovered that there is a negative numbers. Oh wow. So, yeah, it is true that e in the power of I pi, it is a minus 1. So it is correct. Interesting. So this thing is alive. Oh, so he got into an imaginary space, I assume. Whatever number is I before them, it means that this number is imaginary. So it describes the strange numbers like negative. I forgot how this sign called, but like 1 square is 1, and what if we take square root of minus of a negative number? It is really hard, but there should be such numbers. So this is the representative of imaginary, because we imagine that there is such number, and if such number exists, how will it work in a regular mathematic problem? So okay, I see. Interesting. Oh, so it just makes numbers appear if they are disappeared for some reason. Okay. Did he try to summon this E in the IPy? Probably. But I don't think he will be able to do that. He need to get I, you know? He need to get this number via other means, probably. Okay, so now he's fine. Okay. He found out that if you multiply the left or the right part of I forgot how it's called, but if you multiply the right part of equation with negative or with any number, really, you should do the same on the other side to make this stuff remain equal. Multiplication. I see. Oh, this is actually a really cool representation. So this is the 4. It is 4 ones, since so 4 can be like 1, 1, 1, 1, and it's appearing 3 times. So it's like with this one, the first plus second. Okay, this is a really clever way to represent the stuff. Oh, so now he found out about division, divide. Yes, it is what it's called. Yeah, I mean it is true, but it should be 3. Okay. Okay, dividing by 0. Yeah, it is an endless stuff, so now it is natural that this will happen. Oh, so is this how he represented the multiplication? Yeah, it is the multiplication of the dash. I see. It's 8. Yeah, okay. Okay, this also checks out. Oh, wow. It's interesting, okay. Really cool. Yes, now we... Yes. Great. He discovered the square root. Oh my god. He discovered... oh yeah, it is actually a really interesting thing, because the revelation of that the square root of 2 is not a number. It's a really big infinite number that never ends. Well, maybe it ends, but we don't know. And because it is not the 1.5, 1.4, etc., it was actually quite a breakthrough at the times. If I'm not mistaken, I may be. I ended my high school 3 years ago, and university like 1 year ago, I think. Okay, 0. Okay, here it is. So yeah, because a lot of people it teaches you in the school that you cannot take a square root of a negative number, but so they made a number. It is an imaginary number I, so it's a number that so we know that there should be such number that represents the -1 in -1 after you square root this -1, but we don't know what it is, so we just imagine that this number is here and it is I. So basically it is an I square, so if I square under the square root, it is I. So basically minus 1 equals to I square. This is how the imaginary numbers work. Great, he now discovered that it is like an axis and y's, and that the numbers before the letters in the math, it just negates its pluses, so it's like 1i plus 1i, it's 2i, etc. Okay, so I multiply by I is a minus 1, yes, and oh, I see. So because the e, this e in I pi, I think, is represented as minus 1, and since two i's are minus 1, it means that if we will put the third I, it will bring the e from the imaginary realm. Yes. So as you can see, since the I squared is minus 1, and this is the minus 1, and this is the I, he just brought from that imaginary space this letter. Oh no, this letter is angry. Okay, that's funny. So while you enter the imaginary space, you need an I, and if you will get two I's, it will become yes, it will just become minus 1. So this is why no matter how many I's do you get and you put in one place, once it multiplies, it inevitably will lead to a normal realm. Oh wow, okay. What was that? Okay, so cosinus pi plus I sinus pi. Okay, so I guess it is a representative of this letter. Great. Oh, so now we are appearing via circles. Interesting. So... oh, so that's funny. So, you should probably know that while you in a plane, if you will, you know, so the minus, when you multiply minus by minus, it turns into plus. I think they are playing with this theme. So if he like watched in this one direction, by multiplying minus, you just reverse this direction where he was. Okay, so made half circle. He got multiplication sign. Oh, so he multiplied his speed, I guess. Yeah, so he just changed the, how should I call it, the direction of this number in a plane. So this minus and this is plus. Oh wow, I see. So this is funny. So because while you are using the letters in the math, if you like have I, only I, like I plus I, you have a number before them, so we just do not write the ones before the letters, and hence why any minus or plus can become minus 1 or plus 1. And since they are colliding, it is a plus 1 and minus 1, it colliding, and it results in 0. Okay, so now he put 4, so he negated his 1. Oh, wow. So it's a multiplication of 2's. He used it as a bow. Oh, so that's a clever use. He will just jump on a circle. It will be a quarter circle. Well, not quarter, but yeah. Oh wow. Dot. Okay, it is a plane, yes? Yes, it's plane. Okay, great. Now you need to do it on the right and on the left at the 0. Yep. Okay, now you made a circle. Great. Okay, rats. It is where the trigonometry starts. Yes, it is the radius. Okay, so I assume this represents the circle, I guess. Okay. This is a great visualization of a process. Oh, yeah, so it is represents a circle, this plane. Because once you shake this thing, it shakes the... yeah, okay, yeah, it is. Okay, reduce 1, divided, pi, yes, pi. Great, now we have another yes, it is true, it is a cosinus and sinus, okay, and... Oh, I see, so now it will just explain trigonometry via plane and the moving circle. Okay, yeah, I mean, I saw that happened, but not in animated style. So, yeah, it is. Cosinus is up and down, yeah. Okay, what did he do that? So he put I, imaginary, before sinus. So imaginary sinus is like it's the same as a cosinus. Okay. I didn't quite understand that, but okay, why would he do that? So did he just like put it like imaginary space, and since it is imaginary space, it's happening at the same rate, so they are like, I don't know. Okay, never mind. And he got it right. So he probably saw this letter transforming previously in cosinus and I sinus, and this is why he tried to get that mathematical equation to get this letter out of whatever he is. And also, earlier we saw that this is equal to 1, so it's plus 1, and he will be clashing, it will result in 0, yes? Yes. Yeah, that's so clever. Oh wow, summation. Okay, now here it is. Okay. Great. So the N is a ammo. Oh, so he got a circle. What did he do? Oh, so he multiplied his one stick by 4, and since it is a quarter of a circle, he made a full circle, and he filled it by applying P to the... Okay, I see. Okay, so he just... Oh, I see. So he multiplied. Okay, great. So this should be... Yes, it is an 8. Okay, great. Okay, he'll crank up the plane, the circle. He applied the minus. Okay, so he again used this logic that whenever you minusing something, it appears on the opposite side of whatever it is. So, I mean, apparently it applies also in this place, I guess. Okay, wait, what? He used. Oh, he got. Okay, I see. He got a dot and he punched by using sign or so to make this stuff that he discovered while he was punching the circle via this hammers, small hammers, I guess. Sinus. Oh, I see. Now he is multiplying himself by. Okay, I see. That's funny. That. What? Okay, I do not really. Okay, no, I know what it should represent. So he just made this whole circle as a weapon, I guess, but I don't know if it's a real mathematical equation right there. That's silly, okay. There are too many of them. How will you defeat those? Okay, so this is the second application of pi. So we saw that he used it to fill up the space, and now he used it to make this radius sign go around the circle, I guess. There's a lot of summation. Be careful, little guy. Oh, so he got 7i. Oh. So he just, okay. He stole infinity sign. Oh, I see. So now his weapon applies to infinite amount of space. So any space inside this circle is fatal, because no matter how far are you, you will be dead, because it nullifies those letters. Yes. Yeah. So. Oh, so yeah. So it appears it's working in the boundaries of a circle. Oh, now he. Okay, I see. But I don't. Why it didn't work? It is an infinity cannon, so it should eliminate all of them, no matter how far they are, because the spaces are infinite inside it, or it's just not working because it's outside of a circle. Okay. Okay, he become limits. Oh, so I see. So it's a really clever way to do. Since the limits operates on distance from whatever point up to infinity, hence it can defend this letter against the infinity cannon. But why does it work? And it didn't work earlier, so shouldn't this letter already be dead from the how many times he shoot before he made those limits? Oh, well, I guess, okay. Okay, representative of a circle. of a plane. I see. So this whole place is a grid, and you can move freely through the space. Interesting. So he got his gun. Oh, so he used this gun and applied it to the whole circle, so it will work outside of it. That's funny. Oh, and it nullifies anything in the distance in the space. Okay. I love how he did this cannon, because earlier we saw that since he is using sinus, this is why it's an imaginary clone of cosinus, I guess, and this is why it looks like that. Oh, so he made. Oh wow. But 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Oh well, I guess it's tilted, so that's why the center of a circle is here. It should be on this. Okay, well, never mind. If it should have done, it should have like made a big circle around him. Okay, so okay, that's funny. Great, now he's in imaginary space. Why this letter unconscious? Oh, it's probably because it does not have I before. Yeah, it does not have I before, so this is why he is not conscious, because it is a mathematical representation of a number, so it works in rules of mathematics, but this stick figure is a conscious being, so this is why it do not apply to that stick figure. And yeah, so this is the imaginary spaces, because it is a negative square roots, the thing that breaks mathematics in kinda, not really, but I mean, why are you put your hands on your head? It's not like it will change anything, it will just go forever, and it will just exponentially have more square roots. It won't really break any world, you know? Because it is an imaginary space, so yeah. You want something from this figure? Okay, so now they are friends, I guess. If you want to go somewhere, it seems like it's an entrance, like those Japanese ones, you know? Okay. Oh, I see, so exit, like he... Okay, I see. That's funny. Okay, that's... He understood now, yeah? So yeah, he won't be able to guess, because no matter how many eyes you stack it, once it gets into positive powers, it will just reset itself towards the number -1 or 1, depending on how many eyes did you put. I wonder how we will get to the real world. Probably he will. Well, maybe yeah. Maybe I don't know, dimensionality maybe, like our world is probably infinitely dimensional, like we are perceiving the world in 3D. We are probably the 4D beings, and there are probably 5, 6, 7, and all the way up to whatever number it is. So I guess by increasing dimensionality, he will eventually get to the world where he was from, I guess. I wonder how they will represent dimensionality. Okay, summation. Oh, wow. So, okay, so he... Okay, I see. So he put a point on this object. Now he put... I guess this is a representation of a dimensionality? Probably. You know, I am not familiar with this such a mathematics. I mean, I did got into university, just I forgot everything math, including actually. Okay, so I guess so he put I before pi, and since it's an infinity, so it's like an infinity in this. Oh, I see. So it'll... Okay, so it turns into -1. I forgot how this letter is named. Epsilon, maybe? I don't remember. Oh, here's another mathematical sigma, phi, and this number that represents the big numbers. I forgot how it's called, but yeah. Okay, great. So the placent. Okay, so that's all. Yes, it is. Okay, so thank you. So I really enjoyed that. It was a really good video. Though I did not get everything, I think I got most of the stuff. If I am incorrect, you can write a comment on this video. So I will be looking forward to that. So yeah, maybe I will do the physics one or geometry ones. I wonder how it will work out. I mean, I heard about the geometry one. My friend described it as a fight of chaos versus order, like whatever it means. So yeah, for today's episode it is all. Have a good time and goodbye.